In this video, you'll learn how to enter referral code while signing up for the OKX app. By following these steps, you will ensure that your registration is linked to the referral, potentially unlocking. Start by opening the OKX app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app installed, you will need to download it from your device's app store before proceeding. Once the app is open, look for the sign up option. Next, tap on sign up to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to provide either your email address or phone number. Choose the method that is most convenient for you and enter the required information in the designated field. After entering your email or phone number, you will see a section labeled referral code, optional. This is where you can input the referral code that you have received. Carefully type the referral code into this field to ensure it is entered correctly. Once you have typed in the referral code, continue filling out any additional required information to complete your registration. After reviewing the details, proceed by confirming your registration. You should receive a confirmation that your account has been successfully created. At this point, you will see a done message or a similar confirmation screen indicating that your registration is complete. It is important to check your email or phone for any verification messages that may be sent as part of the sign-up process to finalize your account setup.